Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're making a modern classic using gin and Campari. This is the Jasmine. So this is one of those cocktails that has a bit of a funny history. It was created in the mid-1990s by bartender Paul Harrington at the Townhouse Bar in Emeryville, California. And it was a response to a challenge. His college friend, Matt Jasmine, asked him to make him something he had never made before. So like a true bartender, he put his thinking cap on and threw a bunch of ingredients together, and the Jasmine was born. So apparently he handed the drink over to his buddy. His buddy took a sip and said, "Wow, congratulations, you've invented grapefruit juice." So let's see if he's right. Let's see if it does in fact taste like grapefruit juice, even though there is no grapefruit juice. So let's make it. It's gonna start with 1.5 ounces of London dry gin. We're using Bombay Sapphire. Love that gin. It's a great gin. Next up, we're going to do 1/4 ounce of Cointreau. So you could use triple sec, any clear orange liqueur. Only 1/4 ounce. All right. Next up, we have our Campari. Only 1/4 ounce of Campari. I was surprised at how the low amount. I was actually hoping to finish my bottle here, but only 1/4 ounce of Campari. In the glass. That's going to help give us the signature pink color of the drink, that and the lemon juice, which is in fact our next ingredient. So 3/4 ounces of lemon juice. There you have it. Look at that color. It's pink. It's awesome. Okay, so this is a shaken drink, of course, because we've got some citrus in there. So let's add some ice to our mixing glass. It's stuck to the bowl. Sometimes I put the ice in the bowl, put the bowl in the freezer, and then everything gets stuck. All right. Okay, obligatory flippy move. Bam, sealer tight, and commence shaking. Good 15-20 second shake. Odin is out there looking for food or something. Who knows? Hey guys, if you haven't already, if you're not one of my subscribers, please consider hitting that button, hit that bell, get notified every time I release new content. Okay, we're serving this in a cocktail glass. This glass has been chilling like a villain in the freezer, like our buddy Vino says over at 60 Second Cocktail. And now let's get a Hawthorne strainer and do our slow, sexy pour into the glass. What'd I tell you about that color? Isn't that beautiful? I'm on Instagram, RobIMX. Go follow. Okay. To garnish, we're going to do a classic lemon peel. So grab a lemon. This one's already been used. Find a good spot. Peel off a nice big strip. Looking good. And you know the drill. We're going to squeeze it, express some of those oils over the drink. We're going to rub the outside of the peel all around the glass and then just drop it in the glass. And there you have it. There is your Jasmine cocktail. Now, it's a very pretty drink, but how does it taste? You know, when I recorded this video, it was the first time trying out this drink. I didn't like it. I was like, it's bland, you know? Like all the elements are there, but nothing really stands out. But you know what? Here I am 2 weeks later recording the narration for this video, and I decided to make myself another one so that I could give it kind of a fair evaluation. And wow, it's kind of growing on me. Yeah, I definitely enjoyed it more the second time around. It's definitely gin forward, gin and citrus forward, but somehow that small 1/4 ounce of Campari, the bitterness kind of plays with the citrus and really does taste like grapefruit juice. It's quite interesting. I definitely recommend you give this one a try. It's an interesting drink. Make it, and we'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.